Ever wondered how medieval books survived for centuries, despite being handwritten on animal skin? In this video, you'll discover the incredible process monks used to preserve these priceless treasures. Books were extremely valuable in the Middle Ages due to their rarity. Before the printing press, each book was meticulously handwritten and made with costly materials. Vellum, a treated animal skin, was commonly used, requiring the hides of many livestock, which were also valuable. The labor-intensive process of copying books by hand was typically done by monks working by candlelight, leading to occasional mistakes due to the monotonous and lengthy nature of the task. Monks designed their books to endure over time. With use, a book's edges could become warped or discolored from handling and exposure to humidity, making the book uneven when closed. The quires, or groups of pages sewn together, were particularly susceptible to damage, and leaves could come loose. To maintain their books, monks would periodically, about every 80–100 years, take them apart, unsew each quire, and trim the edges anew. Although this reduced the book's size slightly, it refreshed the pages and allowed the book to be reassembled, giving it a renewed, pristine appearance.